Hi guys, welcome to Family Life Daily Ideas. Today we will be creating this simple yet creative Father's Day gift set. Now let's get right into the video. Here are the items we will be placing into the gift basket. When I saw this card, I had to pick it up. It spoke volume. The message was so amazing. Any man can be a father, but it takes a special person to be a dad. That is definitely true. And the card reads, "You are and always will be a wonderful father. And on Father's Day, I want you to know that I love you and appreciate all you have done for me. Happy Father's Day." Oh, that is so sweet. To get this mini balloon, you just have to use a regular balloon with one puff of air. Now go ahead and twist it. Follow along with what I do in order to get these cute mini balloons for a personal gift. Placing a skewer at the back of the card will help support it when we do place it on top of the gift. Yes, guys, we will be using a hot dog snack basket. Daddy can also use it when he's eating hot dogs. So what we do here, we go ahead and place in our gifts into the basket. Now, in order to secure the gifts, we use some regular tape. Now I will be securing the card on top of the gift. I think this is a very creative way to present your card because this card has such a lovely message and I don't want to hide it in an envelope. I would like to display it in a creative way, and this is the best creative way we can present this gift card. Now we're gonna stick on our balloons. I just use regular tape and just paste it on. If you have the glue dots, you can go ahead and use that, or just use the regular tape, fold it, and you have yourself a double-sided tape. Here I am adding in some shiny strings. You can add anything of your choice, any crumbled paper, something creative just to give it that extra pop. Wow, there you have it, guys. Happy Father's Day. This is a very simple but yet creative Father's Day gift set. This is beautiful. Any and every dad would be elated to have this gift set. Now you go ahead and tell your daddy Happy Father's Day. Don't only wish him Happy Father's Day on Father's Day. Every day is Father's Day. Let your father know every day that you love him, you cherish him, you appreciate him for all that he have done for you. Just like the card says, any man can be a father, but it takes a special person to be a dad. You remind him every day how special he is. Okay, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I've enjoyed creating it for you. Now, please feel free to go ahead and follow the same steps and the same instructions and directions that I have showed you. And let me know in the comments how your daddy was so happy to receive your gift. Now, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and give me a big thumbs up. And guys, have a wonderful Father's Day, and I'll see you in the next video.